What is trading plan in Forex, trading system and strategy, part 2. And this is the second video of trading system and strategy mini series. The first video we recorded was what is a Forex strategy. If you want to watch that video, please go to the description, which is the important part. If you want to learn about it, so you have to watch the first part as well. Link is in the description. Watch yourself. Hi, my name is Shah, and you are watching your own Forex channel, Epic Shah. So let's start the topic and discuss it, right? So the first point which we are talking about is that trading system and strategy, on which the topic is what is trading plan in Forex, right? And then we will talk about how to make your own trading plan, right? So we divided this video in two parts, that what is trading plan and how we can develop or make our own trading plan, right? So for that purpose, first of all, we need to know about that what is trading plan, and we need an introduction to the trading plan, that an actual what is a trading plan, right? So trading plan basically is organized approach to for executing, right, a trading system which you developed, right, based on your market analysis or outlook, right, and which factoring the risk management and your personal psychology, right? So in the trading plan introduction, now you know that it's a set of rules which we defined, right, on which we execute, right? Before go entering to any trade, we know our risk, we know our return, we know our entry, we know our exit, right? So in that set of rules, we already it's predefined for us, right? And that trading rules, we know which time we are going to trade, which market we are going to trade, what is our entry and exit scenarios, right? So this is the simple introduction to trading plan, the set of rules on which we will execute, right? And we will follow that rules rigidly, right? There are no compromise on that rules. We will follow it. An example is like a robot, right? So this is a simple introduction to the trading plan, a set of rules, right? Our second points on that this topic is when you know about your plan, so uh, on that you need a profitable strategy, right? So we recorded a first video about the Forex strategy, that how what is Forex strategy and how we can develop Forex strategy, right? But for that greater detail, you can watch that video yourself. Link in the description. But I will talk about some points which need to get addressed, because it's really important, right? And the strategy part, we cover too many things, right? When we have a Forex strategy, so it's combined with many things, right? Which combines with the concept on which we are going to trade, which is strategy. Second part is a big testing part, that based on that strategy, when we do offline or online big testing on the previous data, right, or on the coming data, that how much is our loss, how much is our profit, what are the durations, right? So we gather analytics based on our strategy, right? So we do big testing, and we know our risk management, that if we are going to lose 1%, so how we are going to make, like how much we are going to make, 2%, 3%, and in a huge amount of trades, what are our probabilities that we are profitable or not. So in the strategy part, we know that everything is back tested. We have a long term goals, that if we take 100 or 1000 trades, then on that scenario we are profitable, right? So then we include that profitable strategy in our trading plan and execute based on that strategy, right? So first was our introduction, second was our profitable strategy part, right? And the third and the most important part is set of rules which we follow, right? So now I will go to a practical way, right? So how we will follow the rules. Now we will explain in this point further, right? So, in the first part, as we discussed, we have a set of rules, right? So now we are going to define some rules, right? Define some rules, like for example, our first rule is that we will trade New York session, right? And we will trade New York session. That we are creating our trading plan, right? Let me write it again. We will trade NY session, right? New York session, and in New York session, we will select our pair, which is gold, right? We will trade gold on a New York session, right? This is our trading plan, and we will use a strategy which is a pattern-based strategy, right? So we will use our pattern-based set strategy, right? A pattern-based strategy, and we will on the fourth point we will talk about that we will only scalp, right? So if you want to know about scalping or swing trading, I have a video on that. You can watch your scalp. So we will do scalping, right? So now this is our first point, this is our second point, this is our third point, and this is our fourth point, right? So this is set up our rules, right? So when the New York session opened, right? And we are trading gold, right? So based on the New York session gold trading, we know that we have a strategy on which we use patterns to trade, right? So on the pattern can be any type of pattern which we will discuss in the back testing part. But when I go to New York session every day, 5 days a week, and I trade gold based on pattern and on the fast history of the market on which I did a back testing, that I know that my strike rate is almost 70 to 80%, and I am profitable trader, and my trading style is scalping, right? So now I know that I took 100 trades in the duration of 5 years, right? And the previous data of back testing, that I can make money, right? Using scalping style, right? So in this scenario, now we are talking about the actual trade, right? So I have these set of rules. Now I am following these rules, right? Following these rules. So for now, we will, for example, in the board, we will talk about how to trade a trade, right? For example, if the market is moving like this, right? The market is it's moving, and this in this area the mark is in a New York session, right? And this is gold chart, right? This is gold chart, and based on our analysis, the market is in a top, right? And we are trading patterns, right? So according to our rules, that the market if reaches to the high, so we are looking for patterns, right? And on that area we got a spike on New York session, we got a retracement, right? And then we got another spike. Now we have one high, swing high, and we can see that now the head and shoulder pattern is forming, right? So now we get an idea according to our pattern concept that now head and shoulder is forming in the swing high, and we can get a reversal, right? So based on the strategy, we are using pending orders, right? So I will put pending order here, stop loss here. If the pattern get completed and the neckline get broken, so I will enter to trade. If the market go to the upside, so it will not get triggered, right? So I will put a stop loss here, somewhere here, and the pending order here. When the market the pending order get triggered, so I will go, uh, my order will get activated, right? So now I follow my rules based on my trading plan, which I have developed myself or made myself, which was based on a New York session, trading gold, trading confluence or decision was based on a pattern, and I was only scalping. So when I get 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, I am out of the trade. If now the market is going more to the downside, I don't care, because my trading style is scalping, right? So that was the whole scenario of trading plan. That you know your risk, you know your profit, you know your everything, because you are planning ahead, that if the market condition is this scenario, so I will trade. If the markets was not similar like this, if the market was moving like this, and I was not getting any type of patterns, was simple engulfing candle or any candlestick formation, so that trade was not for me. Still, if it was generating signals and based on a different strategy, so I was not going to execute on that. I was only executing on the pattern types, right? So these are my rigid rules which I follow, right? So this is a simple explanation of trading plan, that what is training plan, on how to make the trading plan, and how to plan ahead of everything, and be profitable in this game, right? So this was the whole scenario. If you have any question regarding this topic, or any topic that related to forex, please let me know. uh, I would love to answer you guys. And keep in mind, this is the three video series. The next video will be the greater detail, which is a big testing part. We will backtest gold from 2003 for an hour or more, and we will just trade based on swings or a leg concept with the patterns. We will not look for profitable strategy, or we will make money on the simulations. We will do simulations on that. It doesn't matter that I lose on that simulation, I make on that simulation, but I will just give you a simple idea that how the market moves and how we can backtest the strategy. After that, we will do a live simulations for some time. On that, I will reveal my strategy, and I will give you an example that how we can trade, right? So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.